Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh. And so in today's video I'm going to share the review and demo of this makeup removal towel from Miniso. I got this towels from Miniso I think in Feb month, but I haven't used it yet. And अगर कुछ लोगों को नहीं पता होगा तो let me tell you that this is a Japanese organization and this product is also designed by Japan, so I'm not promoting any kind of Chinese product here. So now let's talk about this one, what it does. So it will be helpful to remove your whole makeup from your face using any kind of micellar water from Garnier or Simple or NYV, whatever you use. So now I will show you the demo of removing makeup from face using this towel. So I have got two pieces of towels in one pack in rupees 250, and this towel is so soft. Just I got crazy for the softness of this towel, and so I'm just choosing this one. And the size of this towel is also quite big. You can use it for 5 to 6 times, and after that you can wash it, like use it for 1 week and then wash it for 1 day and you gotta go. So yeah, the texture of this towel is very soft and you can use it from both of the sides. So now I'm using my Garnier's micellar water and I will just pour 1 or 2 teaspoons on this towel, and after that I will just remove my whole makeup. I have just completely in my makeup I have put foundation, blush, lipstick and eyeshadow and eyeliner and whatever, everything I have put, and I will just remove with the help of this towel. So I have just removed my half sides makeup, and now you can watch my face is completely clear from one side. Lipstick is completely gone, my eyeliner and complete eye makeup is just gone, and it has completed it so softly and so smoothly, and plus point is so quickly. So I will do it for the other side also, and it will also remove the complete makeup from my face and I will get a clear skin, of course. And according to the details given on the box is that this is a 100% polyester product and easy to use, environment friendly, and due to the nature of the material, slight shading may occur during use of this product. This is not a quality defect. And also they have said that you can use also this wet towel for removing your makeup in circular motion. So yeah, I'm just done with my all makeup removing. I'm also removing it from my neck and of course from my face, and this is done after removing my makeup or to this towel. So this product does what it says and I just love this product. It was my first time to use it in front of you and my skin is completely clear. So if you like this video then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Now we'll see you in my next video with some super and amazing content. So till then, bye bye, and of course take care.